Maggi 2-minute noodles. Or is it? We're gonna find out if Maggi really does cook in 2 minutes or not. What's up YouTube? Sam here from Samyara's Den, where Dilyara and I explore various recipes for the everyday you. And in today's video, we're on a quest to make the perfect single serve of our beloved Maggi. By the way, if you have a favorite technique to make Maggi, do let us know in the comment sections below. We'd love to know. Maggi has been a favorite for a lot of us, and we've all come up with innovative ways to cook it. Stovetop, microwave, even on an iron box. But today, I'm gonna try and make Maggi using the instructions on the packet and see if it really does take 2 minutes to cook. And then I'm gonna show you how I personally love to make a single packet of Maggi. Break the noodle cake into 4 parts. Add noodles and tastemaker to 210 ml of boiling water. Cook for 2 minutes in an open pan. Stir occasionally. Do not drain remaining water. Hold for 1 minute after cooking and serve hot. Well, the 2-minute noodle statement is already a lie. Anyway, let's just see how it turns out following the instructions. Okay, so we're measuring 210 ml of water into this cup. Fire up. Let's boil this water. Hey, PJ, okay. How do you make holy water? You boil the hell out of it. Okay, sorry, not sorry. Back to Maggi. So I've brought my water to a rolling boil. Let's add in the noodles. Add in the tastemaker. Stirring occasionally and stirring occasionally some more. And our 2 minutes are up. Turn off the stove and let it hold for 1 minute before serving. Let's transfer this into a bowl. My, this is such a tiny portion when you look at it. Hey, Maggi people, it's okay if you charge a little bit more, but please increase the portion size a bit, okay? Alright, now let's try making the noodles my way. The only ingredient I'm going to change is the amount of water I'm using. Instead of 210 ml of water, I'm going to use just under 250 ml of water, or about 1 standard US cup. Bring it to a boil, add in the noodles and the tastemaker, and I'm going to cook it on a high flame for 3 minutes straight. I forgot to use the timer the last time, but here's my timer, so you know I'm not cheating, okay? And 3 minutes are up. Our noodles are done. Let's compare the two. Now, this one's the one that was cooked as per the instructions on the packet, and this one was cooked my way. And Dilyara refused to let me eat these without garnishing them, so you can see a little spring onions over here. Let's taste. The 2-minute ones taste alright, but still I feel a little dryish or kacha. I suppose when you let it rest for 2 minutes, it absorbs whatever remaining water is there in the pan. But let's try this one out. Well, you can see that it's still quite moist. It's held some of the water back. So much better. So much more flavor. And the noodles feel cooked properly. You don't feel like you're eating raw maida or raw flour. It also doesn't have that waxy texture to it as much as when you cook it for 2 minutes. Making it my way tends to hold a lot more water, and it has a slightly soupy consistency. Now, if you let that sit, it's still gonna absorb all of that moisture up, but it's way more delicious that way. Now, a great way to spice up your noodles is to add a little something extra into it. You could either toss in a few veggies like some carrots or beans or peas. Frozen veggies are actually really good for this. You can pick them up from your local grocery store and pop them in directly into the hot water while it's boiling, and then toss in your noodles. Or you can also crack in an egg, like I love to do all the time. But that's for another day. By the way, when I went to the store the other day to pick up some Maggi, I noticed that Maggi introduced a new range of flavors, at least 9 or 10 different flavors that I could count. And I'm definitely gonna be making a new video exploring all of those videos. And I'm definitely going to be making a new video exploring all of those wonderful flavors, but I don't think I'll be able to taste all of them myself. So I am going to invite some stomach muscle power, and you'll be seeing a couple of our friends tasting some of our amazing new varieties of Maggi. We'll see. All right, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Sam, signing off.